ख़वातीन व हज़रात, अबाउट गवादर के एक और एपिसोड से हमीद अली शाह आपको दोबारा खुश आमदीद कहता है। और जैसा कि आपको इल्म है कि गुड न्यूज़ है फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, वो हज़रात जो कि इंडस्ट्रीज़ में इंटरेस्टेड हैं लगाने के लिए और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को देख रहे हैं कि कहाँ उनको फ्री जोन्स, ऐसी स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स मिल सकते हैं जहाँ पर वो अपने आप को इन्वेस्ट करें, अपने सरमाए को, और वहाँ से रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट उनका एज कम्पेयर टू दूसरे एरिया ज़्यादा हो। सो एक गुड न्यूज़ मैंने कहा आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करूं, और वो ये है कि 43 चाइनीज फर्म्स ऑल सेट टू इन्वेस्ट इन गवादर स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन। ये कौन कह रहे हैं, पहले मैं उनका आपको तारुफ करा दूं। ये चाइनीज ओवरसीज स्पोर्ट्स होल्डिंग कंपनी पाकिस्तान प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। What is this company all about? Let me tell you about this company. Pakistan's economic performance has improved significantly in the recent years, reflecting a strong commitment and a series of serious efforts undertaken by the government and people of Pakistan. The inception of Gwadar Deep City Port is to further enable economic development of Pakistan over the next decades and beyond. Gwadar has enormous potential from all angles and dimensions for any kind of business activity, whether known or emerging with ever developing technologies. Being a deep sea port, and because of its location, it will be a gateway and hub of world businesses and trades, and will cater for all types of international commercial activities generated from one business to another, irrespective of quantity, quantum and magnitude. COPHC Pakistan is a branch company of COPHC. COPHC is China Overseas Ports Holding Company, which is an emerging and fast growing company in Hong Kong. It has registered its regional office in Pakistan. China Overseas Ports Holding Company Limited has proudly taken over the command of recently developed Gwadar Port and Gwadar Free Zone on May 16, 2013 for 40 years. As per the concession agreement, the objective of the company is to develop the region's most strategically well located port into a hub of maritime trade in the whole region, including landlocked Central Asian region in general and of Pakistan in particular. The COPHS has diversified interests in the field of maritime and logistics, and it consists of the following subsidiaries: Gwadar International Terminals Limited, Gwadar Marine Service Limited, Gwadar Free Zone Company Limited। ख़वातीन व हज़रात, ये तो तारुफ था COPHC का, और जो न्यूज़ थी वो मैं भी चाहूँगा कि आपको पढ़ के भी सुनाऊँ, जिसका उन्वान है 43 Chinese firms all set to invest in Gwadar Special Economic Zone SOPHC. Zhang Baozhong, the chairman of China Overseas Ports Holding Company, the firm that operates Gwadar Port, has said that the first phase of the Special Economic Zone under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has been completed, in which 43 Chinese companies are going to invest, while 200 more firms have been registered for the purpose. Talking to the Express Tribune, the chairman said that besides infrastructure and energy projects, various industries including textiles, chemicals, automobiles and mobiles would be set up in the Gwadar industrial zone, which will create more employment opportunities. Baozhong rejects the reports circulating in the media about hindrances in the multi-billion-dollar project, saying that work on CPEC is going on in full swing and there are no impediments, as the government of Pakistan is extending full cooperation. Despite the coronavirus pandemic, the pace of work has not slowed down, and many CPEC projects have been completed ahead of time. Baozhong said, adding that after the completion of CPEC, Gwadar will become the largest port in the region and an important economic hub in the world, which would benefit various countries. The Gwadar port is fully operational and cargo ships have started arriving, he said, announcing that a liquefied natural gas terminal will also be established at the port. CPEC is a great economic project, he said. It is a symbol of the cohesive relation between Pakistan and China and a testament to our friendship. Donning the national dress of Pakistan, he chanted the slogan, "Long life Pak, China friendship." On the attire, he said, "I like Shalwar Kameez as my heart beats for Pakistan." Meanwhile, Gwadar Development Authority Director General Shazib Khan Kaka told the Express Tribune that under the 2050 Master Plan, the issues of water and electricity for the 150,000 people of Gwadar would be resolved by the end of next year, 2022. However, the people of the port city claim that their population is over 3 lakh. Work is in full swing on a desalination plant which will convert 5 million gallons of seawater into drinking water, and a 300 megawatt coal-fired power plant, Kaka said. Both the projects will be functional by January 2023. He also announced project worth 20 billion for the uplift of the people of Gwadar. Efforts are put to turn Gwadar into a tax-free economic zone and a port city, he said, adding that a one-window system is also being introduced to facilitate investors. He shared that they were inviting the business community to establish industries in Gwadar for the generation of revenue. A 250-kilometer road network has been laid in Gwadar, Kaka said, adding that an industrial zone in Gwadar would comprise 3 divisions: an education system, an education city, and a diplomatic zone will also be established in the port city. Further, Balochistan Department of Industry and Commerce Additional Secretary Manzoor Hussain said that the provincial government has formulated rules for allotment of land in industrial zones in the province. Land will now be allotted in industrial zones only to those industrialists who will set them up within the stimulated time frame, Hussain said, adding that work on development projects in Gwadar was underway under CPEC. On the development of the port city, Gwadar Industrial Estate Development Authority Managing Director Ataullah Jogzai said that the provincial government will soon allocate 20,000 acres of land for the special economic zone. Gwadar Club Chairman Brigadier Retired Asif Mahmood said special security arrangements have been made in and around Gwadar, which has led peace in Balochistan. Khawatun Hazrat, इस खबर के बाद यकीनन ये बहुत खुशी की खबर है पाकिस्तान के लिए, बलूचिस्तान के लिए, गवादर के लिए और पूरे खित्ते के लिए कि 200 से ज़ायद इंडस्ट्रीज मज़ीद जो हैं चाइनीज़ की गवादर में आएंगी और उसके अलावा बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जो हैं उनकी भी इन्वेस्टमेंट आएगी. तो दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु वुड लाइक टू इन्वेस्ट इन गवादर, फॉर ऑल इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट. किसी भी आप चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स से वाबस्ता हैं पूरे पाकिस्तान के अंदर, काइंडली विजिट कीजिए, एक्सप्लोर कीजिए. अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की भरमार है गवादर के अंदर. सरमाया लगाए और खूब प्रॉफिट कमाए. अल्लाह आपको खैर बरकत दे और गवादर का इसमें भला हो, यहाँ की आवाम का भला हो, बलूचिस्तान का भला हो, पूरे पाकिस्तान का भला हो, पूरे इस खित्ते का भला हो. इसी के साथ हमीद अली शाह का अबाउट गवादर के प्लेटफॉर्म से इजाज़त दीजिएगा. एक और एपिसोड में आप सब की खिदमत में हाजिर हूँगा. अपने रिश्तेदारों पर चाहने वालों का बेहद ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह आप सबका हामी व नासिर.